Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss about the factorization of the quartic equation or quartic polynomial, and hence we have to find the solution of the quartic uh, equations. So our topic is factorization of quartic equation, quartic polynomials. So quartic, according to the definition of quartic polynomials, are polynomials whose highest exponent or the degree is 4. Factorization of quartic. Please, you have to pronounce this one as quartic. It's not the quadratic, quartic polynomial. There are 4 steps. Step number 1, the same thing is let the given polynomial be p of x. Be p of x. The same procedure you have to follow. Find value or values of x for which this polynomial becomes 0, and you have to select the values usually from these values: plus minus 1 or plus 2 minus 2 or plus 3 minus 3. Usually 99% cases the factors will be given in the exams, but in some cases just 1%. Sometimes you have to find the factor by yourself. Find linear factor by factor theorem. Over areas, the product of linear factor is also a factor. That rule, that method, that technique you have to apply. The 4 step, that's a very important to factorize the quartic polynomial. By long division or by synthetic division, find other remaining factor. Other remaining factors. Okay, the first one, I have to solve one question. We have to follow the steps. Question number 1 is factorize 4x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus 7x square minus 4x and minus 3. So first step is you have to suppose that you have to let that this polynomial be p of x. 4x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus 7x square minus 4x minus 3. That's the first method by using the remaining factor theorem. So if I put x is equal to 1, then what's the answer of p of 1 is? That becomes 4 plus 4 minus 7 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, that will be plus 3. You will get the 0. So this implies x minus 1 is a factor. We have to put x equal to minus 1 over here. So after putting the minus 1, I will get the 4 into plus 1, because if the power of any negative base is even number, then the negative will be removed. It becomes plus 4 into minus 1. It becomes plus 1. It becomes minus 1 and plus 3. So 4 minus 4 minus 7 plus 4 and plus 3. So these terms will be cancelled out. These 7 will cancel, this one 0. So these are the two factors. These are two linear factors, x plus 1 and x minus 1. In the fourth step, I said that the product of these two linear factor is also a factor. So x plus 1, the first factor, x minus 1 is also a factor. And then we have x square minus 1 is also a factor. If we have one factor, then it's very simple, very easy to find the other factor. If we have one factor, then it's very simple, very easy to find the other factor by long division method. So how you will find the long division methods? So you have to write the dividend, that means the 4x cube, sorry, 4x raised to power 4 plus 4x cube minus 7x square minus 4x and plus 3 x square minus 1. So you have to multiply by 4x square. So I will get, when we multiply over here, I will get the 4x raised to power 4 minus 4x square. That's the minus, that's the plus, cancel out. You have to write the descending order. So 4x cube minus 3x square minus 4x plus 3. So again, you have to multiply by 4 times x. So you will get the 4x cube minus 4x. It becomes minus, it becomes plus. These terms will cancel out. Now, what you will do, you have to write the minus 3x square plus 3. Then you have to multiply by minus 3. So minus 3x square and plus 3. As already explained that dividend is always equal to the product of the divisor and remainder. So you have a factor, you have to memorize the relation. Dividend is always equal to product of divisor and quotient. So that expression will be equal to these two products. So you have to write x square minus 1 and 4x square plus 4x and minus 3. So x minus 1 and x plus 1. You have to write 4x square plus 6x minus 2x and minus 3. So x minus 1 is over here and x plus 1 is over here. 2x is taken as common, 2x plus 3 minus 1 is taken as common, 2x plus 3. So the whole quartic expression has been changed into these four factors. Okay. Now sometimes the question is you have to find the solution of the quartic equation. So you have to put all the quartic factors equal to 0 and find the value of x. So if solution is required, that's the factorization of the quartic, solution is required, then what will you do? You have to make all factors equal to 0, step by step. and find the answer. What's the answer of this one is? So first value of x will be 1. The second value of x will be minus 1. The third value of x is minus 3 by 2. And the fourth value of x is 1 by 2. So these are the four possible answer of this one. Thank you, beta. Allah Hafiz.